Hey guys, welcome to Pharma Palette. Today we will be discussing about the another new pharmacological classification which is the NSAIDs, which are simply the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. These drugs are especially used for reducing the pain. Without any further delay, let's try to know what are all the different classes comes under this NSAIDs and how to remember the drugs under them with simple easy tricks. So the NSAIDs are basically divided into four main classes. So the first one is non-selective COX inhibitors. Second one is the preferential COX-2 inhibitors. Third one is the selective COX-2 inhibitors. And the fourth one is analgesics and antipyretics. Now let's see each class in detail. So, the first class under this is the non selective COX inhibitors. To remember the subclasses under this, just remember a trick. Some pretty fellows enjoy activities passionately, where S means it is salicylates, P means it is propionic acid derivatives, F means it is finamate, E means it is enolic derivative, enolic acid derivatives. Then we have A means it is acetic acid derivatives. And the last one is P, which means pyrazolone derivative. Now let's try to learn the drugs under each class. So in the salicylates, just remember one drug which is aspirin. And in the second class, which is propionic acid derivatives, just remember the terms like profane and proxane. These are the drugs which will be ending with profane or proxane. So, for example, here the drugs are ibuprofen. It can be ketoprofen or flurbiprofen. Similarly, we have naproxen. Third one is finamate. Here, remember one drug which is mefenamic acid. So, finamic. And the fourth one is enolic acid derivatives. Here, just remember oxycam. So just remember the term. These are the drugs which will be ending with the term oxycam. So piroxicam, other one is tenoxicam. Then the fifth one is acetic acid derivatives. Here, remember the term kin, where K means it is ketorolac. I means it is indomethacin. Similarly, N means it is nebumetone. And the last class under this is pyrazolone derivative. So these drugs will be ending with the term butazone. So one drug is called as phenylbutazone. Second drug is called as oxyphenbutazone. So the next class is one is preferential COX-2 inhibitor and the other one is selective COX-2 inhibitor. So to remember the drugs under this preferential COX-2 inhibitors, so just remember the term NEDAM, or else if you can't remember this, just remember the term ANDE. So DAM NE or ANDE. This is also fine. Now let's see the drugs under this. So first one is Dino. D means it is diclofenac. A means it is aciclofenac. M means it is meloxicam. N means it is nimesulide. And E means it is etodolac. Now coming to the third class, which is the selective COX-2 inhibitors. So here these are the drugs which will be ending with the term coxib. Anything which ends with the term coxib comes under the selective COX-2 inhibitor. The first thing you'll remember is these drugs will be ending with the term coxib. If not, and to remember the drugs, there is one more trick. So you can also remember like Celebrities ate perfect cake, where C means it is coxib and Celi. Celi means it is coxib. So 8 means it is Itori coxib. P means it is pericoxib. So the last class under this NSAIDs is the analgesics, antipyretics with poor anti-inflammatory action. So here just remember one term which is parrot, met, nanny, and this class will be done. How? So parrot, met, nanny. Just remember this term. So where P means just remember the drug paracetamol. Similarly, M means remember the term metimizole. N means remember the drug nefopam. Now let me tell what are the classes of these drugs. So paracetamol comes under the class para-aminophenol derivative. Similarly, metimizole will come under the class pyrazolone derivative. And the third one, nefopam, comes under the class benzoxazosine derivative. So that is all about the NSAIDs classification. So with these simple tricks, you can write the entire classification easily. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Pharma Palette for more such easy, simple, fun mnemonics.